All right, Rob Frazier here. Quick video on MLM Lead Pro by Edward Keat. So basically, this is a list building system that you can join for free that you can use to build your list to promote any business that you want to promote. And once your leads get on the inside, there's 4 pieces to the puzzle, but I just want to talk about my 4 pieces and why I put them together. So in digital marketing, in affiliate marketing, obviously in the system you can add up to 10 programs. But I will say always there's 3 C's of marketing, and that's basically clicks, content, and connections. I mean, everything that you learn in affiliate digital marketing all revolves around getting clicks to your website, putting out content on the internet, and building a list of connections, a list, your email list, your following on social media, people that you're connecting with and networking with. Clicks, content, connections. That's it. So I just want to talk about how I set up my own system, because you can customize this for yourself however you want. And waiting for my country bumpkin Wi-Fi to load. So when your folks come in, they get the free MLM Lead Pro account. And if they want to activate the first income stream, which is Affiliate Mentor, I highly suggest doing that. Affiliate Mentor has some great training in there. The whole idea is based around sending emails and making money. So for step 1, it's MLM Lead Pro. You can get it for free, and you get your whole thing set up for free. It's just you won't be monetized on the first step if you don't join Affiliate Mentor. I joined $25 one time. Get it out of the way. For my step 2, I don't have Save Club. I don't have Clicker. This is my sponsor, Edward. I think Edward Keat's my sponsor, or some other guy. But basically, step 2 and step 3. So for me, step 1, I have clicks. It's the free marketing system, the free list building system. This works very great with Leads Leap. So you have clicks. And then for my step 2, I also have my traffic plan. So step 1 is the marketing system, the list building system. Step 2 is traffic. How do you get people to see it? And it's all based on clicks, just 100% clicks on the internet. I have traffic exchanges, safe lists, solo ads. Everything built into my step 2 is how I get traffic. And I work about 2 hours a day following my strategy, and I have a balanced traffic strategy. So instead of just being a social media superstar, I surf a little bit of traffic exchanges. I send out 1 or 2 safe list emails. If I have the funds, I buy a solo ad, and I just keep it moving. My step 3, matter of fact, this is this is just basically the back office. How you would set it up is you would come down here on setup. Down here on the left, I don't have my camera moved over, but add your programs. It's just simply down here on the left, and then you add your own. So for my step 2, it's the crypto retirement plan. Basically, it consists of a traffic program. It's a crypto program. It's also a traffic program. And inside the back office of that traffic exchange are links to all of my other traffic sources. So basically, step 1 and 2, clicks. The next C, content. My step 3 in this system, as you can see here, step 3, override on digital growth community. Digital growth community really breaks down how to put content on the internet to attract people to what it is you're doing. Again, you can get clicks, and I love the balanced traffic idea. I don't like being social media superstar, although you'll learn how to do that with digital growth community. I like doing traffic exchange, safe list, solo ads, because I'm not always online. I'm being honest, sometimes I'm inconsistent. Even my YouTube, I'll be hard on YouTube, and then some days I'll be like, you know what, I need a freaking break. It just depends on what's going on in life, but you'll learn how to post. If you don't want to do traffic exchanges, you don't want to do solo ads, you'll learn how to post content on the internet using digital growth community. She mostly keeps it around TikTok and mostly TikTok, YouTube Shorts, but you can use the same strategies for any social media account. And then the last piece, step 4, is also the last C as well. Step 4, instant AI microbiz. Basically, it's the Power Lead System AI Automation Academy, and it's Lead Lightning, but you have the option to upgrade to the AI Automation Academy. What you'll learn there is how to use AI to create content on the internet if you don't always want to be online. And from there, you'll also learn, if you become a gold member at Power Lead System, you'll get Max Steingard's Endless Free Leads, and you'll know exactly what to say to people who like your post, comment on your post. And also, one thing I'm putting together for people who join me and my clicks, content, and connections. Every single leader in network marketing, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, I have links to all of their social media profiles. There's a website that says top 100 earners in network marketing, top 100 earners in affiliate marketing. So what I went through, got all of the links to all of the people, all of their Facebook groups. And the thing is, it's not the people themselves, it's the people who follow them who you'll tap into. But it's an advanced strategy. But I have that bonus for the folks who join me in this. So basically, you're not just posting on social media and nobody's seeing your stuff ever. But the whole idea is just to have a balanced traffic strategy. Clicks, content, connections, and everything is in this system. Nothing else needed. So unless Ed decides to change this whole thing, which he won't, that's it. Clicks, you get the marketing system, the list building system, the traffic, content, digital growth community, learn how to post stuff on the internet to attract leads. And then when people like and comment on your post, you use the training from the PLS back office, step 4, to learn exactly what to say to these people and close them into your business. So just that simple. Any which way, Rob Fraser here, wrapping this video up. Link is in the description. Click it, opt in. Want to work with you. See you in the next video. Peace!